Now we're going to learn the alphabet U. For U alphabet, the slight curve. This is standing line बनाओ छोटा वाला standing line. बच्चों को from blue line it start, it touch the red line, then take a turn and make a normal U. Like this. Standing line बनाओ, turn बनाने के बोलो normal capital U जैसा. This is a normal U. Okay, like this U. But you have to start with small standing line, touch the red line, and then from here you do normal U, making a curve, you do normal U, and then take a slight curve here. See, standing line small, then take a curve and make a U. Standing line, take a curve, then normal U. Yes. U R N N. U Ni form. U N N. यह अल्फ़ाबेटों को हम कैपिटल लेटर्स यूज़ नहीं करते, लेकिन बट आई एम टीचिंग यू द स्ट्रोक्स, हाउ यू स्टार्ट एंड हाउ यू एंड. Okay, how you continue the stroke. If you want to join with one other alphabet, how you continue the stroke and how you attach the stroke. Okay, the next alphabet we are going to learn V alphabet. Slanting line, make a normal V, like this. Slanting line, make a normal V and turn like this. Slanting line, normal capital V, you have to make bigger V, and like this the curve will touch like this. Slanting line, make a V and take a curve like this. So V I R U, Viru, Viru. V I N T A G E, vintage. V A N, when. Now next alphabet I'm going to teach W. W. See, slanting line, make a normal W, capital, and make a twist. Slanting line, make a normal W and take a twist. Start from the blue line, touch the red line, normal W, capital W you have to do and make a twist. See? W-I-N, win. W-I-N-D-O-W, window. Now capital word X. X, normal X, small x जैसे करते हैं normal X. कर्सिव X में स्मॉल कर्सिव X में कैसे करते हैं हम, जैसे slanting line, then take उल्टा C, फिर से another C you make, touch it and touch it here like this, right? But we don't have to do like this, same thing here. Then start from here, normal X. Start from here, then normal X. See, start from here. Why you need this stroke? Because see, when you're going to write like X, capital X here, X R-A-Y, X-ray, like this. Okay, Xmas. Same way means this. So you need to write. So you need to write strokes like slanting line, make curve, C उल्टा C बनाओ, बड़ा वाला X बनाओ, फिर ये वाला इधर blue line को touch करो, so that you can continue with the strokes easily. Next alphabet we are going to do is Y. See, exactly like a U. जैसे हमने U बनाया ना, same way you have to make. See, standing line, take a turn, make बड़ा वाला U, but the U will go down and touch the red line, come out and touch again the slant blue line. See, make standing line, small standing line, touch the red line, make a U, go down, touch another red line. From here take a curve and do direct a slanting line, a big slanting line coming out and touching towards the blue line. See, standing line, take a turn, make a big U, standing line, make a curve, slanting line, again touching towards the blue line. U, if you know to make U, capital cursive U, if you know to write capital cursive U, then it will become easy for you to write Y. And by the way, by Y means by till you reach to Y, you will become easy and means like you will become expert like to in cursive writing, so will easily learn to write Y. Y A K yak. Y A K yak. Y O L K yolk. Z, अब Z कैसे करना है? We are going to start with the blue line and it will come down here. See, you're using all three lines, 1, 2, 3 for turning the first half. For first half we are using all three lines, and for another half we are using this line and making it like this. हम small cursive में कैसे बनाते हैं? Do like this, small cursive में. But here what are you going to do for big cursive? For capital cursive, you are going to start with blue line. All three line you have to use for first half. For another half, what you'll do? You take the only one. We will start from the blue line and touch the below red line and come out like this. See, all three lines you're using for first half, and remaining lines you're going to use for another half. The first half will be bigger and the second half will be smaller, and the slanting line will come out. See, Z I P, zip. Z I P, zip. Z double O, zoo. We are going to write A to Z now, okay? We'll practice once again from A to Z. Slanting line with starting with start curve, then another round here and coming out A, B, then C, then D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, then L, M, N, then O, then P. Little bit mistake happened here. P, then Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. V is not like this. V is like this. V, W, X, Y Z.